How many of you have seen your mother scroll through Facebook and ask you all to purchase a particular product which you saw in a reel? And then you told your mother that that particular product or that particular reel creator is not verified, so you can't place the order or something like that. You all must have done that. I want you all to interact, please. Not just Harshit. Okay. So, what we are seeing this in mind, like considering this, we have introduced Cellora. Commerce is no longer just about searching for products and checking out. So traditionally, next slide please. Traditionally, we saw that online shopping followed a simple flow, which was search for the product, then choose the product and check out. But today, especially in India, buying decisions are increasingly influenced by people, not just platforms. The new flow looks like something that the creator first introduces the product, then he or she interacts with the potential buyers, and then builds the trust, and then the people purchase that product. Now, thousands of sellers in India are already selling through Instagram lives, WhatsApp videos, and real-time sessions. But everything behind the scenes is still manual. They note orders in notebooks, track payments on chats, and manage inventory manually. This makes the process messy, chaotic, and error-prone. So our vision is to build an infrastructure layer that turns live interactions into structured commerce. Next slide, please.
Let's look at the pain points. Sellers have to stream separately on multiple platforms, which divides their reach and multiplies their efforts. Orders are handled through DMs, creating a major bottleneck. Manually confirming payments, tracking orders, etc. This process is time-consuming and not at all scalable. Next, our sellers don't know which products perform the best and which performs the least. And because the inventory is tracked manually, overselling and refunds are common, damaging trust. Overall, live selling is chaotic and hard to scale. Next slide.
Yeah, so through Cellora, we aren't building another marketplace, we are building an operating system for live selling. Today, sellers already go live on Instagram, Facebook, or YouTube, but the selling there is chaotic. So, our set of solutions that we provide include seller experience, so stream once, sell everywhere. So, through Cellora, what the sellers need to do is just open one app of Cellora and go live just on that one app, and it live streams on each and every platform, including Instagram, YouTube, and Facebook. So they don't need multiple setups. So next is AI comment intelligence. So our AI integrates all the comments from all the platforms into one place, and it categorizes them into different categories like feedback or orders, and it also summarizes the repetitive messages, so the sellers need not waste their time on answering that same particular question. The next is instant forefront. So Cellora provides each and every seller a unique website on which they can list their products, and the products are categorized based on the date on which they were streamed live, so the consumer need not waste their time on searching that particular product. The next is seamless checkout. So there is no fear of overselling or UPI checkouts. So the consumer need not send the UPI screenshots through the WhatsApp. Next slide, please.
Okay, so India's social commerce space is already exploding, projected to hit around $70 billion plus dollars by 2030. There are about 10 million plus on homepreneurs and resellers who are already selling on Meesho and Instagram. But the problem is they still manage everything manually. Our first target will be 100,000 active live sellers in Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities, people who are already going live but still lacking proper tools. Live commerce is rapidly shifting from entertainment to instant buying, and that is where Cellora comes in, turning every live session into direct sales. Slide, please. Okay, so our model is simple. We win when our sellers win. Cellora is completely free to use, no subscription is required, no setup cost. we charge only 5% commission on every successful sale. By removing entry barriers, adoption becomes effortless and we scale through traction volumes. It's a zero fixed cost, performance-based model where our growth is directly linked to sellers' success. Slide.
So now let's talk traction. We surveyed 250 sellers across Delhi, Mumbai, Bangalore, Jaipur and Lucknow. Real boutique owners, home bakers, thrift resellers. What did we find? 78% already use live video to sell. 87% track orders manually. And 71% lose orders buried in the chaos of the comments. Critically, 68% are willing to pay for automation and 82% want to stream once across Instagram, YouTube and Facebook. This matches the pain we showed earlier, the fragmented workflows wasting 70% of their time on administration. Qualitatively, it is even more compelling. Sellers tell us they are up till 2 a.m. to enter their orders manually. They have quit live streaming entirely because the chaos kills the profit. Creators with 10,000 plus Instagram followers or YouTube subscribers are stuck for streaming separately. Wasted effort, missing their outreach. Our pilot targets are clear. Boost orders per stream from 15 to 25, slash operation times from 3.5 hours to 1 hour, cut missed orders from 8 to 2. Post pilot, likelihood to pay jumps from 40% to 90%. All APIs, Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, Razorpay, WhatsApp are ready and tested. Global players like CommentSold prove the model works, but none are UPI native or built for India first. Next slide.
Moving on to the GTM, our primary focus is on solo boutiques in Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities. These are high-intent sellers who need help in managing inventory. We also help in solving the DM chaos, which causes a major revenue leakage for them. Our timestamp shopping feature allows the website to display the exact product being streamed live at the same time. And to grow, we use a Trojan horse strategy by partnering with wholesale WhatsApp groups. And we also utilize a product link growth strategy by putting our powered by Cellora as a footer on the websites and charging a 5% commission on the 5% commission on the transaction aligns our success with the success of the seller. Our roadmap moves from niche boutique owners to broad creators and then to the enterprise phase by targeting established D2C brands. Thus, the plan is clear. Being profitable, the path to become profitable is through becoming the foundational infrastructure for social commerce. Next slide.
Let me walk you through the competitive landscape. On this graph, the x-axis represents commerce capability and the y streaming capability. Starting with Instagram Live, it offers a strong live streaming quality, but it lacks in built-in commerce tools. Next, we have StreamYard. It provides a single streaming platform with manual DM-based payments. It also lacks the same as Instagram Live. Moving to Shopify and Dukaan, they perform strong commerce infrastructure but lacks in the live streaming aspect. Then we have Cellora, our brand, which combines both high commerce capability with multi-streaming platform. In summary, existing player solves either the problem of streaming or commerce but not together. Cellora bridges this gap, offering an all-in-one live commerce solution. Next.
So now comes the financials. So we assume the average order value of our sellers to be 800 rupees, selling 30 orders per month, 5% commission rate. We came to around 500 rupees of contribution margin. The monthly fixed cost came to be around 2 lakh rupees. And in the break-even analysis, we came to a conclusion that we need around 400 active sellers to reach the operating profitability. And in the first year, we would be burning around 15 lakhs. In the next year, we would earn around 6 lakh rupees. So for the time being, for the burn phase, which would be around 16 months, we would require around 20 lakh rupees. And our funding source target would be Startup India Seed Fund scheme, because it is a government funding scheme, and it provides grants of around up to 20 lakh rupees, and that is what we require and it can also provide 50 lakh rupees, up to 50 lakh rupees of debt. So that's our target funding source. Thank you.
Any questions? इतनी परफेक्ट है इन्होंने, मतलब किसी को कोई सवाल वाल?
A better alternative to existing system, let's say, like the Instagram APIs which we just talked about, that marketers can market there. How are you a better alternative to them? Like, why do you think existing systems are inefficient?
So there is no particular solution that provides that helps you to live stream on all the 3 apps simultaneously. Because the audience is very fragmented. Some only watch the Facebook, some only use Instagram. So to target them, the sellers need to go live stream on each platform differently.
Do you really think the shop, let's say, the businessman can do 3 platforms per ek saath? Like, is it really a need? Why
Yeah.
do they want to do this?
So to increase the customer base, one would want to sell on all the 3 platforms, because the customer base is not on. In Instagram we see that most of the users are teenagers, or they are young adults, and in Facebook we see that there are people of around 35 to more than that. People are of more than that age. So a particular seller would want to sell to all the customers. So instead of going live once on Facebook, then once on Instagram, then selling the product on WhatsApp, they would do that in Zalora only, so that it would decrease the time which would be wasted by going live on all the 3 platforms at different time lines.
Thank you so much.